Hello creative souls and welcome to my studio. Today I'm going to be painting a jellyfish inspired by a jellyfish that I found on the beach last week. This is one that I did earlier. So I did that using Neocolor 2s, and I can't remember if I used some of the DERWENT INKTENSE pencils, but I've got those at hand as well. I have got one of these palettes which is rough on one side and smooth on the other, and it was recommended to me by one of my viewers, and literally all you do, scribble on your desired colour, grab your paintbrush, and there you go. You can use it like watercolour. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm not going to do it in my sketchbook. I'm going to use some Canson XL paper, and this is A4. So I will take you on a journey today. We went to a place called Mount Edgecombe in Cornwall last week, so you'll see some of that footage. So stick around and paint a jellyfish with me. I've chosen some background colours that I'm going to put on, and so I've gone for varying blues to match the sea. Now what I'm going to do is just go round the jellyfish, and what I'm after is some nice sort of cauliflower mistakes almost. When you do watercolour, you don't really want cauliflowers, but on this occasion I do want cauliflowers. So I'm just going to apply the water around the jellyfish and then pop on some background colour. That's the background complete. Bit rough and ready. Using the Caran d'Ache Neocolor 2s on the palette-like watercolour, using lots of water, and we've got the cauliflower effects that I was after, so that's good. So now I'm going to, I think, instead of using the palette for the jellyfish, I'm going to draw straight onto the jellyfish and see how we get on doing it that way. So I'm going to use pinks and purples, I think, for the jellyfish. So the jellyfish is dry again, and I think I'm going to go in with some Derwent pencils, some of the Intense. I've got the fuchsia, the carmine pink and deep rose, just to finish it off. Okay, so I've just tidied up some of the edges. I don't know if you've seen a little brush like this before, but this I got a long time ago. It's called the Eradicator, and it's in the Billy Shoal brush set. And it's brilliant because if you want to take out a highlight, you wet your brush and you only want it damp. All you do is gently rub over where you want the highlight, dab it with a bit of kitchen roll, and you get your highlight back. The only thing is with this is it can cause you to fiddle a bit too much, and you can overdo it. But it's a good little tool to have to take out those highlights. So that's just about dry now. I'm going to put on the other sort of tentacles that come down, and I'm debating whether to do that with maybe a marker, a watercolour marker maybe, or an alcohol marker, or I might just do it with a pencil. We'll see. Right, I've picked out a couple of markers. I've picked out some Faber-Castell watercolour markers and a Pitt pen, or sorry, a jewel marker, and I've got a couple of Tombows here. So I'm not sure what colour I'm going to go with. Let's just I don't know if that will be overpowering, but it would certainly stand out. Quite like that one. And it's not meant to be realistic at the end of the day. It's not a natural history piece after all. It's just for fun. Oh, that's a nice one. Right, let's try the grey and the pink and see how I get on. I'm just going to go for it, because that's what art is all about. So let's be brave and go for it. So they come from in the centre here. Could do with being a bit darker, the pink, but this is what I have. Put in a couple of grey ones. This is a bit thicker, so I need to go careful. Oh, nice. There we go. I think that will do, because otherwise I'm going to overdo it, get overzealous with the markers. But I think that's turned out quite nicely. So we've got the cauliflowers in the background, used with the Neocolor 2s, then base wash of Neocolor, and then over the top with some Derwent pencil, and I used the eradicator brush to get some of the highlights, and my pens to do the tentacles. So a mixed media piece on the Canson XL paper. I enjoyed that, and that's what it's all about. Hope you enjoyed this week's video. Thank you for watching.